The views, information, and opinions expressed during the filming of this channel are those of the individuals involved in this video and do not reflect or represent Nike or any other brand. What's up, guys? It's your boy Trenez with another episode of Established 29 TV, and today it is a very special video. I'm pretty sure you guys saw on the cover art what it is. So before getting into this unboxing, I want to say that I am by far not a sneakerhead at all. I blame it on the pandemic by downloading the Nike sneaker app over the course of the summer, and usually, I just being honest, like everybody else, I never get selected, I never win a pair, I never get anything. This time around was completely different. Now, I will say, I think the first time I tried to buy these shoes, they were not available. I don't even think my order went through at all. Clearly it didn't. But for some strange reason, I get a notification saying that my size was available. So I did exactly what anybody else would have done. And I went immediately and placed my size. I still went through the exact same process for waiting in line as the app had to do. But before I knew it, the shoes literally gave the magic image that everybody wants from the app, which is this one right here. Like, I could not believe what had happened. So guys, without further ado, let's unbox Nike Air Force 1 Gore-tex boots. I will tell you guys, these boots were priced at $180, but I personally feel like they're gonna be worth every penny. Most importantly, guys, before we jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. And without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. The description of this Nike boot is described to have crisp overlays, bold accents, and the perfect amount of flash to let you shine. The Nike Air Force 1 GTX boot brings OG hoop style into the winter. The Gore-tex lining, large lugs on the outsole, and removable silicone ankle strap toughens up the icon, while the padded, high-cut collar keeps the heritage b-ball comfort. This Nike Air Force 1 does come in 3 other colors: the black with the gum sole, as you see here, the medium olive with the sail sealed brown, and the wheat, which comes out November 9th at 10 a.m. on the sneaker app, are the 3 offers of the Nike Air Force 1 GTX boot. So I know, I'm sure the big question is, what do I think? How do they feel? Is it worth $180? And guys, in my personal opinion, after of course struggling to get it on, getting the shoestrings loosened up enough to get my foot to slide in there, I totally agree that they're absolutely worth the price. They're very comfortable. One of my biggest concerns is if it's going to be too heavy for my foot, because usually I can't wear really heavy sneakers. But I feel like after I kind of get a little used to these are going to be absolutely amazing. Very transitional shoe for wearing leather, of course, as you see right now. Or if you wanted to try to dress it down with kind of like a sweatsuit outfit, I do think this is a perfect shoe. I don't quite know exactly how I'm going to do the strap on here. It is removable, but some way I'll figure out how to wear it to where it kind of not necessarily strap my foot down. But by chance, if these are sold out online or through the app and you can't find them at all, of course there's always reseller options. I will say that I do know these shoes do come in 2 other colors, which is a olive pair as well as a camel brown pair, which I think are actually very nice. If you're into a brighter color and don't want to settle for black, those are 2 other options. Guys, most importantly, thank you so much for tuning in to Established 29 TV. It is your boy Trenez Scott signing out. I hope to see you again. Take care. Best wishes.